you won't speak English until you understand this. You're gonna make mistakes. It's normal make mistakes. No one is perfect and you don't need to be perfect when you're trying something new. Sometimes we make mistakes in our own language, so it's normal. When we are studying languages, we want to be perfect. We are always trying to talk as a native speakers, and yes, that's good, but you're not a native speaker. Even if you study to do it beautifully, you can make mistakes. So enjoy the process because you are a beginner. I consider myself sometimes intermediate level, but even when I feel like my English is intermediate level, I act as a beginner. You have to keep our motivation, our curiosity to keep studying. I was always like, I need to be perfect. I cannot make mistakes. Don't press yourself. I post one recording and tracking my progress here on YouTube because of this. But I'm learning. I'm not native, and I'm trying. I'm doing my best. So for now on, I allow myself to be a beginner, to be a student. Perfectionism won't let you improve your skills. It makes you feel stuck and stagnant because you are not allowing to be a beginner in something you were a beginner. So you want to start speaking like a native, even if you're not a native. Can stuck you in a place where you cannot get out because you are always feel like you're not enough, you don't know enough, your pronunciation not enough, and that's not true. You can use your simple sentences and words to try to express yourself. Connect with people trying to do the same as you. People are studying languages as you. It can help you a lot. Connecting with people are trying to achieve the same goal as you. It can be motivated and it can be exciting because they facing the same as you. They struggling with pronunciation. They struggling with build a train of thought. Share your plan of study with people who are studying, with people who are studying the same language that you. The best way to learn is by practicing, and you can help each other. If you have a friend like study the same language as you. In conclusion, try to speak a lot. I'm recording videos here, and sometimes it's hard because sometimes we feel like we don't know enough and your brain is stuck in your native language, and sometimes you just wake up without any language in your brain, and that's it. Sometimes it's hard, but we have to keep going. We have to keep practicing. And this is just a thought that I wanted to share with you, and I hope these tips helps you in your journey. And if you like my videos, my honest videos about English, share, subscribe, and thumbs up. See you.